নমস্কাৰ। আজি জুবিন ক্ষেত্ৰলৈ আহি উপস্থিত হৈছিল বাংলাদেশ চৰকাৰৰ প্ৰতিনিধি প্ৰীতি ৰহমান। জুবিন গাৰ্গক শ্ৰদ্ধাঞ্জলি জনালে বাংলাদেশৰ উপ উচ্চ আয়ুক্তগৰাকীয়ে। এই সন্দৰ্ভত চাওঁ আহক বিশেষ প্ৰতিবেদন।
Good morning. It is an honor to be here this morning at Zubin Khetro. My Assistant High Commissioner and we have just paid our tribute and respect to Shri Zubin Garg. You all know that Zubin Garg ji has a huge fan following in Bangladesh. People in Bangladesh have been deeply shocked by his untimely demise. The work of this multi-talented artist, this creative legend, has touched the hearts of millions across Bangladesh. We stand in solidarity and prayer with the members of the family of Zubin Garg. And may his soul rest in peace, and he will continue to live in the hearts of Bangladeshis, the fans and admirers that he has in Bangladesh through his work. He will remain a cultural icon. Thank you.